Oh, hi folks, Tom here from Honda Avenues. I don't have such a good memory, but for management, I got this list. Check it out. I don't know if you can see that. All the offers. So until the end of the month. In other words, we have a huge sale to the end of the month. Up to $3,000 off of KBB Blue Book for people who doesn't know. No, that's on your trade. $3,000 on your trade based on KB Blue Book. Also, get 0% finance on selected units. Okay, this is what it says here. Also, no payments for 90 days. Not bad. 90 days. And discounts up to $6,500 in select vehicles, which I'll show you in this link on the bottom. And we got payments from brand new cars for only $129 a month. So give us a try. Tom here for Honda Avenues. Have an awesome day. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.